Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change screen timeout in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you change your screen timeout in your vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, now let's start the video. And first of all, open your phone setting to change screen timeout. Then guys, you can see your display and brightness. Tap here, guys, click on screen timeout. So as you can change your screen timeout from here. So example guys, I will show you this 15-second screen timeout. So we will click here, and guys now you can see guys, after 15 seconds guys, our phone screen will off. Wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. So you can see guys off. So your friends, we have understood how to change screen timeout in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.